Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your SSD health and temperature settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in settings. Best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go and scroll down on the right side underneath storage. Go ahead and left click on that. And now scroll down again and select where it says advanced storage settings. Select disk and volumes. Select properties next to the SSD on your system. And then if you read this page, it'll tell you different information about the capacity, the name, and whatnot. And if you scroll down, you can see the drive health, estimated remaining life, how much space is available, as well as the temperature. I'm in a virtual environment. It's showing a very warm temperature. I'm not running the air conditioning, so that could be part of the reason why it's about 11,000 degrees Celsius. But I think it's more likely that it's just a virtual environment and isn't picking up on the drive. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.